Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? We continue exercise 3.2 with question number 5. In this question we are required to evaluate given values of log. Let's do it. As we are given log 1 over 128 to the base 2, we let in the first step log 1 over 128 to the base 2 is equal to x. Writing in exponential form. Base will remain base, equal value will become power, and 1 over 128 is taken to the other side. As 128 is a composite number, so we take its LCM. 264, 232, 216, 2 8s, 2 4s, and 2 2s 4, and 2 1s 2. So 7 times 2 is equal to 128. So we can write 1 over 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32 to the 64 to the 128. In a product, if bases are same, then the powers are added. So we can write as 1 over 2 raised to power 7. And according to law of quotient of power with same base, we can write as 2 raised to power minus 7. Left hand side we carry 2 raised to power x. As this is an exponential equation and their bases are same, then the powers are equal. Therefore, we can write as x is equal to minus 7. Now put the value of x in this equation 1. We have log 128 to the base 2 is equal to minus 7. So hence minus 7 is the required value for log 128 to the base 2. That's it for the part 1 of the question number 5. Let's do part 2 of question number 5, in which we are required to evaluate log 512 to the base 2 under root 2. So first we let log 512 to the base 2 under root 2 is equal to x. So that is log 512 to the base 2 under root 2 is equal to x. Writing in exponential form, we have 2 under root 2 whole power. This value, equal value will become power, and 512, as we know that these values exchange their position, so 512 is taken to the right hand side as equal value. We have a radical value in the left hand side, so first of all we have to convert it into exponential form so that we can compare, we can apply the exponential equation. So to deal with radical form, we have to take its square. 2 under root 2 whole power x whole power 2, and we take the square of the other side, that is 512 whole square. According to the laws of exponent, we can switch their position. So 2 under root 2 whole square whole power x is equal to, as 512 is a composite number, so that will find its LCM, and that will be equal to 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32 to the 64 to the 128 to the 256 to the 512. So 9 times 2 is equal to 512. we apply the law of power product on the left hand side, and that is 2 raised to power 2 under root 2 raised to power 2 whole power x is equal to 2 raised to power 9 whole power 2. 2 raised to power 2 we write as same, and the square is cancelled by square root. So we have 2 raised to power 1 whole power x. On the right hand side, 2 raised to power 9, we apply law of power to power. So 9 is multiplied by 2. If bases are same, then the powers are added. So we have 2 raised to power 3 whole power x is equal to 2 raised to power 18. On the left hand side, we apply law of power to power. We have 2 raised to power 3x is equal to 2 raised to power 18. As we know that in an exponential equation, if bases are same, then powers are equal. So therefore 3x is equal to 18. 3 is multiplied, so it is taken to the right hand side. We have 18 divided by 3, and x will be equal to 6. If we name this equation 1, put the value in equation 1, we get log 512 to the base 2 under root 2 is equal to 6. That's it for the question number 5.